and add an XBee3 module that is running Zigbee firmware to XCTU. Then we are going to change it from Zigbee to Digimesh firmware. So the first thing we need to do, I've already plugged in the radio to the computer using the interface board. Once it's plugged in, then I just open up XCTU, come up here to the plus, scroll down until I find the correct USB port, hit finish. It's going to discover the radio, and there it is. I'll go ahead and read the radio by clicking on that representation there on the left. Once it has read the radio, then I can go ahead and change the firmware. So there we go, it's read the radio. Come up here to update, and you'll notice right here there's a whole bunch of different options. I'm going to choose Digimesh. So Digi XBee3 Digimesh 2.4. I'm going to choose the latest version of firmware and hit update. And it goes through all these checks real quick, make sure it's the right module. And then it's going to start writing the firmware. Now this part takes quite a while, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording at this time. However, once it's written, then you can go ahead and just reread the module, and you'll see the new firmware, and you'll be good to go. Thank you.